Hey everybody, we've got some brand new Mickey and the Roadster Racer diecast cars. Wow, these are really cool and they are so much fun. Now, after I show you all of these, we're gonna be unboxing the new Roadster Racer gift pack. And it's got a Mickey with a gold car, and there's Minnie's car. Woohoo! And we will take them all on the Mustard Run racetrack. See if they can make the loop-de-loop. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And let's go ahead and start getting them out of their boxes. First up, we've got Jumpin' Jimny's Jumper Race Car. Look at that. You remember the episode where Jimny comes to visit? And Mickey Mouse wants to give him his special gift, but Pete keeps stealing it. That episode was really funny. Here's Jimny's race car, and he is number 43. Very cool. I love that spoiler. I bet it's going to go through the hoop really well. Whoa, he's so fast. Here is Clara Cluck's coupe. Hey, it's in the shape of an egg. And back here, it shows you some of the other ones you can get. We have this one and this one. It's Mickey with his big racing wheels. That's super cool. Let's get Clara out of here. There we go. Here is Clara Cluck. The happy helpers sometimes babysit for her. Minnie Mouse and the happy helpers. All right, let's see how fast this egg can go. Whoa, she did a flip. She's not even on the racetrack yet. Here's Pete's tow truck. Wow, this is neat. We just did a video on Blaze and the Monster Machine and his new tow truck. You'll have to check out that cool video. And Pete with his tow truck. Very neat. And he's got little Mickey Mouses on the tires. Let's see how fast he can go. Don't run into Clara. Oh, he did it. And Mickey's racing wheels. Those are so neat. I wonder what he uses these big tires for. There we go. Whoa, look how big they are. Mickey Mouse and his number 28 race car. This is one of the new diecast toys. Here he goes. I can't wait to check him out on Mustard Run. And here is Minnie's new vehicle. Minnie's Bow-tastic Bow-mobile. Aw, it's got hearts on the front. Let's open it up. And here it is. It's shaped like a bow. Minnie's ready to race. There we go. Don't run into Mickey. Oh, she did it. Everybody's running into everybody. Now let's get this Roadster Racer's gift pack open. Open it up here at the top. We're going to pull them out. And it comes with 5 race cars. Now here's the cool one. And this is the gold Mickey race car. And here is the big wheels. The gold one is pretty cool. And we've got another Mickey car in here. And this is actually the hot dog vehicle. And this is like the one that comes with the Mustard Run racetrack. So that's going to be really cool. And we're going to race it on Mustard Run. So now we've got 3 Mickey vehicles. And let's get Donald out of here. And there is Donald's vehicle. He is number 3. He's got a boat. And here's Minnie's new vehicle, number 89. It's still shaped like a bow, but it's purple. And now we can see both of them. Very cool. And Goofy in his tubster. It's got a shower on the back. That's super silly. All right, we've got them all unboxed. So let's get this racetrack and start racing. First up, we've got Hot Dog Mickey. And he's gonna go through the mustard and then go through the relish. Are you ready, Mickey? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was so fast. Here, let's try it a little slower. Very cool. Now it's Donald's turn. Whoa! Pete, can you do it? Here we go. Wow, I love this racetrack. Here's Mickey with his big wheels. Super cool. Minnie Mouse. Ooh, she flipped. Here goes Goofy. And Jiminy. Here's Mickey. Woohoo! Clara Cluck. Here she comes. And Minnie Mouse. 1, 2, 3. This is a really cool racetrack, and we've got lots of fun cars. But I really enjoyed showing you all these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.